to create an Walmart account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today on this tutorial video I will show you guys how you can simply create a Walmart account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, now go to any browser. For example, I'll be using Safari, and on the search bar search for walmart.com. Now here you can see I am on the official page of Walmart. Now in order to create an account, click on that three dash line on the top left corner. Once you click on it, here you will see this blue button that says sign in or create account. Click on it. Now as you can see here, you need to enter your email address in order to sign in or create your account. So simply enter your email address and tap on continue. After that, enter the password and follow the screen prompts. So that's all in this very easy and simple way you can create an Walmart account. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.